First thing you want to do is go to portal.tmgm.com. You want to then go to your dashboard and then select the trading account starting with the number 5. You will see your trading server here and your trading account number here. You want to then go to your MetaTrader 5, go to the settings in the bottom right, and select New Account. You want to then type in Trade Max, one word, and select the global option. Under the Use Existing Account, select Server and select Live. Under the login, type in the trading account from an earlier step and the password for that account. You are now ready to start trading. If after following these exact steps, you are receiving an invalid account error, you need to do the following. Go back to your TMGM portal. Select the trading account you're trying to connect. Click on the 3 lines and select Change Password. You will then be prompted to enter the last 4 characters of your ID. This can be found in the Documents tab of the TMGM portal under the ID section. Enter it here, and then re-enter a new password and try all the steps again.